So this tutorial is about the venous drainage of the heart. So the venous drainage of the heart is by several cardiac veins that drains into this coronary sinus. The coronary sinus lies on the posterior spectra of the heart on the diaphragmatic or the inferior surface between the left atrium and the left ventricle. The coronary artery receives the tributaries, so we've got this cardiac vein, the great cardiac vein, which runs around the anterior interventricular groove and drains into this coronary sinus. Then we've got this middle cardiac vein that runs down the posterior interventricular groove and then drains to the coronary sinus, right down in the middle of the back of the heart. And then we've got this small cardiac vein that's very little, and on the right side of the heart it runs between the right atrium and the right ventricle and drains into this coronary sinus. And just like superiorly, then we've got these anterior cardiac veins. So these veins then drains the anterior portion of the right ventricle. So that's all about the venous drainage of the heart.